Without Audition, we'd miss out on some of life's pleasantries, but most of all, you wouldn't be able to experience these recorded noises, which are so mysterious that their origins remain officially unidentified.
Amazing!
Number 10. The whistle. This single frequency signal was picked up by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, an American agency which is also known as NOAA. It's devoted to researching oceanic and atmospheric conditions and has a hydrophone near the Eastern Pacific. On July 7th, 1997, it recorded this. This noise has similar characteristics of wind howling at night. It also has parallels to other signals recorded during submarine volcanic events, but the NOAA's inability to pinpoint the epicenter of it makes it difficult to isolate precisely what the noise is, adding it to a growing list of mysteries recorded by NOAA. Number 9. The Bloop. This ultra-low frequency and extremely powerful underwater sound was also recorded by NOAA several times and was roughly triangulated to a remote point in the South Pacific Ocean, west of the southern tip of South America. Let's take a listen. Experts at NOAA do not believe its origins were man-made, such as by a submarine or bomb, nor from familiar geological events such as volcanoes or earthquakes. While it does resemble that of a living creature, it remains a mystery because it is both different and several times louder than the loudest recorded animal, the blue whale. It has also been attributed to the sound of a large ice quake, though it remains formally unidentified, so who knows if it came from a monster in the deep. Number 8. WKCR 89.9, New York's old tape. WKCR is a fairly familiar radio station to those around Columbia University, but one night in 1995, the station allegedly veered off its usual course to play this strange series of haunting music, horrific whispers, and a synthetic female voice reciting dates and names. Have a listen.
Henrietta Grant, mother of Ian, North Sally, my friend. March 17, 1988, Edward McEvans, mother of Warren Jim, 1985, Shirley Allen, Geraldine, Harvey, 1988, Ruth Manana, mother of Uncle from the farm. October 1988. You're tuned to WKCR FM New York, 89.9 on your dial. Colombian music is running a little late. It will be starting in a few minutes.
Users on the 4chan message board the audio was originally posted on believe that isolated within this recording is the obituary of Manhattan Project researcher Frank Friedman Oppenheimer. As the original poster has yet to confess to creating a hoax, the old tape remains an audio mystery. Number 7. 52 Hz Whale. When first recorded by a US Navy sound surveillance system in 1989, scientists were quick to associate this underwater recording to the call of a whale, but that didn't end the mystery behind this 52 Hz sound. Marine mammal researcher Bill Watkins dedicated the last 12 years of his life to finding the origin of the unusually high-pitched sound. But like many others that tried, Watkins came up empty-handed. To date, what's been dubbed as the loneliest whale seems to remain as such, though researchers suggest that the whale belongs to an unidentified species. Number 6. The Lincolnshire Poacher. For around 30 years, a radio transmission of the English folk song, The Lincolnshire Poacher, played repeatedly, followed by a series of seemingly random numbers. This is the enigmatic transmission. The strange message is believed to have been associated with a number station operated by the British Secret Intelligence Service out of Cyprus, and was apparently used to bridge communications between undercover agents, though this idea has never been confirmed. Number 5. A Phantom Cosmonaut. What we're about to play is a haunting transmission of an alleged lost Soviet astronaut that was intercepted by amateur radio operators in 1961. Here is the audio, which is believed to document the final moments of an unknown female cosmonaut entering Earth's orbit. This recording possibly gives credence to an alleged series of failed missions hosted by the USSR. Yet, without Soviet acknowledgement of the program and the transmission, the frantic transmission remains a recorded mystery, backed by little more than skepticism-driven hypothesis. Number 4. Julia. Like an underwater EVP, the NOAA's March 1st, 1999 recording, dubbed Julia, is an eerie, unexpected groaning that sounds incredibly unnatural for the environment it was captured in. Listen and let us know what you think. Unofficially labelled as an iceberg running aground just off Antarctica, the recording was captured over the entire equatorial Pacific Ocean autonomous hydrophone array. Was this ghostly grumbling really a moving iceberg, or is there a hulking beast slinking around, emanating this chilling noise? Number 3. Upsweep. In 1991, scientists stumbled across what the NOAA describes as a train of narrow band upsweeping sounds, hence the name. The noise was detected throughout the Pacific Ocean, making it difficult to localize the noise. This recording is a faint sound, but it's definitely there amidst the foreground static. Here it is. Theories point to seawater brushing with pools of lava, but what do you think of this recording that the NOAA has since deemed unresolved? Number 2. UVB-76, the buzzer. Mysterious radio transmissions have been captured time and time again, but the 4625 kHz shortwave buzzing of the UVB-76 radio station has been ongoing since 1973, occasionally sending out a string of dates and names spoken in Russian. We'll now play the recording so you can determine whether the message is simply a random series just to keep radio station operators alert, or if there's something hidden within the numbers and names. While its Russian origins are fairly obvious, what the station represents remains unknown, though a military connection has been suspected since its initial discovery. Number 1. Earth's Trumpets and Skyquakes. You're enjoying the fresh air outside, when suddenly, one of these thunderous, unnatural sounding trumpets blare through the sky. Fear not the coming apocalypse though, as this unexpected exclamation is a fairly common occurrence. Despite having been heard across the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia and Germany, scientists at the National Aeronautics and Space Administration remained baffled by the cause, claiming that it could just be the background noise of Earth. But maybe it's something far more sinister that we'll soon have to make peace with. There's a world of unusual sounds and noises out there, and luckily these 10 have been given a lasting legacy through various mediums. The authenticity of a few may be questionable, but the majority remain as formal mysteries. Do you think you have the answers to any of these incredibly mysterious recordings? Thanks for watching, and subscribe to Be Amazed.